Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2013 GMC Terrain SLT. Comes equipped with a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Other things included such as premium leather heated seats, as well as navigation, Pioneer audio system, cruise control, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. Going to this all black interior with red accents with vehicle, paneling cup holder storage on the bottom, Pioneer speakers right above. You got your power locks, mirrors and windows, the chrome accent handle. You even have these leather heated seats, super nice. Left side you'll have your vents. Left side of steering wheel will be your cruise control. The right side will be your voice recognition and volume control. Now for the odometer, all your controls are right here on the bottom. You can access through different vehicle information, including your trip info, your gauges, and as well here. You can see all through there. And on to the infotainment. So your Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM with Stitcher Smart Radio. You're gonna have your navigation included right there. You also have a CD oh, that's the wrong side. And you also have your destination, tone settings, and pictures included. On the bottom here, you got the power locks with the child lock and your dual zone climate controls. CD disc changer on the bottom here. You're gonna have 12 volt with some extra storage with your eco mode and extra storage with USB ports inside. Passenger side, same finish, manually adjustable. The red stitch, heated as well. Red stitch goes all the way across. And up here you can access your reading lamps and as well as your power liftgate controls. You're gonna have 17-inch wheels on good ride tires, paint match mirror caps and door handles. You're gonna have the luggage side rail top, deep tint rear glass in the back. Here you got the backup camera as well. It's the back here, you got these WeatherTech mats, storage in the back, the speakers, and extra room storage and tools down below with the 60/40 rear folding split seats. It's a pretty spacious rear. And moving on to the rear interior, you get more paneling storage next to speakers, power windows, the chrome accent. Hop in the back, pretty decent legroom. You're gonna have mesh storage behind each seats, the 12 volt DC port in the back here, cup holder and armrest right in the center, lamps up top, and handles on the side there. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2013 GMC Terrain SLT, equipped with the 2.4 liter 4-cylinder engine, as well as cruise control, leather heated seats, Pioneer audio system, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.